Using Chefsheet Mobile. Chefsheet Mobile is available from the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad and from Google Play for Android. Chefsheet Mobile works with Chefsheet.com to allow you to quickly count your inventory room by room. To use Chefsheet Mobile, you must first have created an inventory sheet using the website. Now, log into Chefsheet Mobile using the same login you created for the website. For those with multiple restaurant locations, select which restaurant you want to count. You will see the same inventory sheet views you see on the website. Inventory sheets set to Done or in the archive will not display here. The green ++ icon is the Copy for Next Count feature from the site. This will make a copy, removing all of your counts and making a ready inventory sheet for your next count. Depending on your subscription plan, this button may not work for you, and when pushed, you may instead receive an email notification. Due to Apple's subscription policies, the emailed message as to why the copy did not work cannot display as a pop-up. Click the inventory sheet name. Here, you will see the list of rooms you created and the number of items in each room. This checkbox means that at some point this room on this sheet was counted using the mobile app. Refresh can be used if you made changes on the site since loading this page and want to load them to your device. Menu will take you back to choose a new inventory sheet, and Save Item Count will become active when you have data counted to save. Note that Chefsheet Mobile is designed to work in your basement wine cellar, in places with no or poor internet connections. When you click the inventory sheet view, the entire sheet is loaded into your phone's memory. If you do not have internet where you are counting, you can count, return to where you have internet, and then press Save. The Rooms button will take you back to count another room. Search is used to find items in this room by name, and Refresh will pull data from the server if you have made changes. This is a toggle button for Count to Quantity and Count to Order. If you are counting how many of something you have and not doing any ordering, or you are using PARS to auto-calculate your orders, set to Count to Quantity. If you are counting just for the order and do not want to count quantity, push this to Count to Order only. You can still enter either order or quantity, but depending on how this is selected when you count an item, the default will be one or the other. The top of the display box are uncounted items. The bottom are counted. Depending on the version of the app you have, you may see images for your items. These can be set by you on the website. If you have not set an image, Chefsheet has sourced an image for you. If the image is incorrect, you can reject the image from the website. Please note, if there is no internet connection, your custom image will not load. Items on Chefsheet Mobile are ordered in the same order as in the rooms of your inventory sheet. On the website, you can resort by name, product ID, category, etc. Click the first item you want to count. Enter that count, and using your thumb, slide the count box to the left to move to the next item, or the right to return to a previous item. Then just start counting. If you have set PARS, Chefsheet will auto-calculate an order amount. If the amount Chefsheet calculates is different than what you need, you can replace it by changing the order amount here. You may have set inventory units like bottles or pallets to count. To toggle to different units, press the Unit Toggle button here. Press Done to return to the item list. From here, you can add an item which you did not include in your inventory sheet while working on the website. To do this, press Add Create Item. Type the item name, set the category, unit, and vendor. Note, the vendors you see here are vendors you have added already. If you need to add a new vendor, choose any vendor and change the item's vendor later from the website. After you have counted all the items you need, return to the room view. Notice now the Save button is green. Press to save. When an inventory sheet has unsaved data, the icon will display as a cloud with the age of the data here. Be sure and save your counts so you can see them on your computer.